Hey guys, Moisan here and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, I'm currently here in the Philippines and I'm just having my vacation. I'm on my third week now and I just actually arrived in Manila like I think 4 days ago, and I'm kind of like sick. Not sick, but my nose is kind of like stuffy. And guys, for today's video, I know, sorry guys, the quality of this video is a little bit bad. I don't have my Canon camera with me and some of my equipments for recording. It's because I really wanted to enjoy my stay here in the Philippines. And this past few weeks I've been posting a lot of short videos in Davao, Boracay, and guys, let me tell you, this country is so beautiful. Like, I really love Philippines. Like, guys, sobrang ganda. I came here 3 weeks ago with my mom, with my friend, and with my Japanese friend, of course. And it was his first time here in the Philippines, and he really loved it. Actually, yesterday he went back. He was able to stay in the Philippines for only 10 days. And so he enjoyed it. And actually, it was our first time to go to Boracay. And guys, let me tell you, Boracay is so like, I have nothing to say. It was so beautiful. The water was crystal clear, and the weather was so beautiful. The foods and the local people, they were very nice. And I still have 1 week left here in the Philippines, but I'm hoping to go back again probably next year, so I'm gonna go and save some more money. But anyways, moving on, for today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the minoxidil product that I saw at SM Superstore. And this particular minoxidil is really interesting because this is the first time I saw a 6% solution. I forgot, is this solution or foam? But anyways, I recorded a video of it, so I'm gonna share it with you. I think it's a 6% solution. I can't remember. But guys, can you imagine 6%, which is something that I've never seen in Canada, because in Canada we only have the 2% solution and the 5% foam. So I even showed it to my friend. He's also a nurse, and he was also very surprised to see that there is actually a 6% solution. And this particular product is originally from here in the Philippines, and I'm gonna share you guys a video. As I said, guys, I'm so sorry this video is not edited, but yeah. So anyways, this is the product. There you go. Can you guys see it says 6% solution, and I don't know the price. I think it was like around 2,000 pesos, which is roughly around $50, which is not bad actually, because in Canada you can I think a cans of 5% foam, like 3 cans, is like about $120. So it's a good price for a 6%. Anyways, let's talk about its efficacy. I would say that the 6% is very effective, okay? But before buying it, or considering it, please talk to your doctor first, okay? Because since it's a high dosage, a possibility for allergic reactions such as redness, itching, and heart palpitations and things like that. Especially if you have a heart conditions, it's very important to also talk to your doctor first. And I know it's over the counter, but just to be on the safe side. And that's what I have been always telling you guys to, before trying out any herbal supplements or even approved medication, talk to your doctor first, okay? So that is one interesting thing that I found here in the Philippines. And I think there's nothing wrong of buying it even without doctor's prescription, but just to be on the safe side, okay? I have also seen a lot of different kinds of anti-hair loss shampoos here in the Philippines. I'm gonna go and buy some few products, including the Novo Hair. I know some of you guys are requesting me to buy a Novo Hair and do a review on it, and I was actually looking at it yesterday, and I was reading some of the ingredients. in the package, and a lot of it are herbals, and we're gonna go and talk about that once I get the products. But anyways, I still have 1 week here in the Philippines to enjoy, and I'm gonna take advantage of that. But because I love you guys, and I know that you guys are really interested in my hair loss videos and stuff like that, so that's why I've decided to just share it with you guys. And of course, I'm not gonna end this video without sharing with you guys my current hair condition right now. As you guys can see, it's tied up. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry, my nose is dripping. But anyways, I was able to tie my hair throughout my vacations, and before I went here in the Philippines, I had to go and shave my hair on this side and not the back, because I really like that style, when you had to tie up your hair. But that idea of using minoxidil prior to my vacation was really good. I was only using the 2% solution, and let me tell you guys that the 2% solution was very effective, and I would really recommend it to you guys. If you guys are new to minoxidil, try the lowest dosaging first, such as the 2% solution. Then if you guys are interested in trying the higher dose, go with the 5% foam. But try to monitor yourself, okay guys, for any allergic reactions. And of course, don't forget to talk to your doctor. So yeah, what else can I say? Philippines, it's hot. It's hot, but I love it. I would really, come back here again. And yeah, guys, go and check out the short videos that I have posted for you guys to see. And I'm really encouraging you guys to come and visit the Philippines. Sobrang maganda talaga. And I really like to and want to promote the beauty of my country. It's what do you call this? In terms of restrictions, they have lessened the restrictions now for I know it's pandemic, but it's now much better to go around the Philippines. There's less restrictions, and wearing a mask here is, I would say, optional now, but I still wear it, especially in crowded areas, here in Manila, right? But other than that, everything is good. I'm going back to Canada in a week. So yeah. So guys, I hope that this video is kind of interesting. I know, as I said, it's not edited, but I just really wanted to share with you guys that 6% of minoxidil. So because I really got interested, so I wanted to share with you guys. Anyways, guys, a lot of comments are still pending, and I still haven't replied to them, so I'm gonna do that after this video. And thank you guys again so much for watching my videos and supporting my small channel. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section down below. And of course, you can also follow me in my Instagram and on my Facebook page. And sobrang salamat, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys again next time on my next videos. Bye bye. Oops, sorry.